So to continue the tutorial, we're going to now make some transactions at the pool bar inventory, which you can see currently has 24 bottles of beer and 2 bottles of tequila or 1500 milliliters. So to recall our staffing, this email address for this staff is associated with the pool bar. So we're going to bring that up. I'm already logged into the terminal under that staff member. Going to do a quick wristband status to pick up where we left off at $63.70 balance for the guest. We're going to go to the menu now. Now, because we're working at the pool bar, only beer and cocktails are sold. So those are the categories that show up. So we're going to order a round of drinks, say 2 beers and 2 margaritas. But say we change our mind and actually we're going to get 3 beers instead. Okay. Check out. I'm going to scan the wristband now. So now the balance is $20.80. Now, periodically, every 5 to 10 minutes or so, these transactions will sync to the dashboard, assuming you have internet connectivity. But of course, to purchase items, you don't require internet, since WristCoin works without internet connectivity. Now that they're synced to the dashboard, we're going to see the new inventory levels. So if I hit this refresh button, you can see now that there has been a deduction of 3 bottles of beer and 100 milliliters of tequila, representing 2 margaritas. We can once again look at our depletions and we can see all of this. Modelo 1 from the main bar, Modelo 3 from the pool bar. Margarita 2 from the main bar, 100 mils. Margarita 2 from the pool bar, 100 mils. Again, if you want to filter this report and say, I only want to see what we just did for the vendor, which is the pool bar, you can filter just by the vendor and see that that is what the result is. And you have various other filtering here, including by inventory item and even by menu item. So even by menu item, you can say, show me all the beer, and it will show you 1 beer at the main bar, 3 beers at the pool bar. Returning to the transaction summary, say we're going back for the full month, we can now see all the restocks, the transfers, and the depletions, including those that were recently done from the pool bar. And again, if you just want to see depletions, you can click on just depletions and filter by that. And you can say, I only want to see depletions for tequila. And again, it shows you only depletions for tequila. Now let's look at our inventory count. The count report now reflects in amount of procurement. So this is how you order it, what is remaining, and broken down by inventory store. So these decimal numbers represent fractions of cases, fractions of bottles, or fractions of packs of burgers and patties, for example. That math is done automatically by the system, and then it computes the monetary value. And again, you can expand this report to show adjustments, transfers, and now the new one, most importantly, the depletions. And again, you can filter by just store or just inventory item if you want. So if we want to say just the pool bar count sheet, we can look at just the pool bar count sheet. Click on the next video to learn how we can make adjustments to inventory after we say end a shift and transfer inventory back to reflect the true amount that's remaining.